Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you record an empty background for a few seconds. Then after that, now you walk into the scene. What you just need to do here is just to demonstrate whatever you want to be doing, alright? You can do anything, you can decide to be pointing hand, you can just do anything. Just demonstrate whatever you want to demonstrate for some few seconds or some few minutes, alright? Then after your demonstration now, the next thing is for you to walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. At this point, you click on CapCut. Click on new project guys, click on new project, import this your video to workspace, alright? We need an empty background for this video. Click here and locate freeze. Look for freeze, alright? Look for freeze. So you freeze this part, click on this one and delete it, click on this one, delete it, click on this background layer and drag it a little bit. You come back now and mark anywhere, click on overlay, add overlay, you import your green screen serpent to workspace. You want to click it now to go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG guys, chroma key, you drag it, you mark on this good, you go back, you are clicking it for second time, so you go and look for adjust, alright? Locate adjust, click on adjust there, mark on adjust, HSL, look for it, click on HSL, mark on this green, reduce saturation to 100%, you mark on this good, then you go back. At this point guys, you click on the green screen serpent to expound it, then you position it at the point where you want it to be. So after that, we are going to be splitting it somewhere around this side, and immediately the serpent shoot up, you click it somewhere here. We are going to be making a split here, so click it here now, then you split it, all right? Click on horizontal, click on horizontal guys, then you turn this horizontal line, turn it, make sure the line is straight, drag it down, play with this feather icon, all right? Play with this feather icon, play with this feather icon, after which you mark on this good, then you go back, all right? So this is the first part of the video. We are going to be playing it to see what we have got, all right? So just do your necessary adjustments, then you play it. Let us see how it plays. Play it from the beginning. So this is the first part. This is fantastic, all right? So we have gotten this first part, what we want. You click on export here, then you export this first part to your gallery. Just allow it to export. Now you are going to be clicking on that arrow there to go back, mark on that green, click on the green screen and delete it. You click on add overlay again, you import this your green screen serpent for the second time to look for remove BG again. Click on remove BG, chroma key, like we did before, remove it, then you go and look for adjust, click it and locate adjust. You are still going to be clicking on adjust to look for HSL. You click on HSL guys, mark on green and reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this good, then you go back, still click it to expand it like we did the first one, then you allow it to play. Then I will tell you what we are going to be doing next. We are still going to be splitting this part, so you click somewhere here and make a split, all right? You split here, click it and make a split. You delete the first part, click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video, all right? You are still going to be clicking it to go and look for that mask again. Locate mask again guys, locate mask, click on mask, still click on horizontal, click on horizontal, still turn the line again for the second time. After turning it, drag it down, you play with this feather like you did to the first video. Play with the feather, then after playing with it, you mark on this good here. We are going to be going back to click on this arrow here, click on add overlay, you import your main video, which is yourself, the video you recorded, import it, then you look for where you want the video to start from, all right? Just go, the video is too long, I'm looking for where or perfect place I'm going to be starting. That place where I crossed my hand, you click it here, then you make a split from here, make a split, delete this first part, click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video, guys. When you drag it to the beginning now, you go and look for where you want this video to end. From where you want it to end, you click and make a split, delete the last part. Then you come back now and click on this video. Click on this video, go and look for remove BG again. All right, locate remove BG. Click on remove BG, guys. Auto remove at this time. Then you allow it to remove. But at this point, tell us your opinion about this video, guys. What magic effect would you like us to be creating next? Go and drop them at the comment section. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Welcome back to this tutorial as it's still removing. All right, now it has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you can go back, guys. Now you click on this layer again, which is the character layer. Still go and look for that mask. Locate that mask, guys. Click on mask here. Still click on horizontal. Drag it up. Then you play with this feather icon. After playing with the feather icon, drag it down a bit to mark on this good here. You go back, drag yourself, place yourself on top of that serpent. You are going to make it look good now. All right, make it look good. After which, after doing the necessary adjustments, all right, you come to the beginning of the video and click it. Then you click animation, or you add fade in. All right, as you add fade in, click it again, click on that animation, drag it a little bit. After which you mark on that good and go back. Look at how it's going to play, guys. You can play it now. This is fantastic. I think we have gotten this part as well. The next thing we are going to be doing is to still export this one now. We are going to be exporting this second one. You still click on export like we did before. After you allow it to export, we are going to be marking on that done. All right, mark on done. We want to work on another video. Click on new project again. Still import that your video. We want to work on the third part of the video. Then you are going to be marking out an empty background like we did before. Go and look for freeze. Okay, when you bring it in, you look for freeze. You freeze this part, you click here and delete. Click this one and delete. Then you click it and drag it a bit. Then you come back, you mark anywhere, guys. Then you still look for overlay, add overlay. Then you still bring in your green screen serpent like we did before. Then you remove the colors by looking for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, you drag it, you mark on this grid, you go back, still click it again to look for adjust. Click on adjust, HSF, click it, click green, reduce the saturation to 100%, to mark on that grid and go back, still increase the serpent again. Increase the serpent again, guys. Position it where you want it to be. At this point, we are going to be we are going to be splitting. Immediately the serpent comes up, click and make a split. All right, make a split and delete the first part. Click this one and drag it. So we have gotten what we want here. So we're going to mark the background is too long, make a split, click it and make a split, delete it, make the two of them to align. After aligning them, no, he has not aligned, align them. After aligning them, we are going to be clicking on this one to still look for mask, look for mask like we have been doing. Look for mask, guys. Click on mask, look at mask there, click on mask, click on that horizontal again. Still turn the line, bring it down, then you play with the feather icon like we have been doing. Make sure your line is straight, play with the feather icon. After which now we are going to be adding keyframe to it. All right, after which you add keyframe, you adjust the video a bit, then you drag the line up by exposing the head part of the serpent. All right, drag it up. Then you are going to be marking on this good now. Then you go back, mark on this good, guys. I believe it's ready. Mark on the good, you go back. Then you export this part again like we did to other one. Export it. After exporting it, you mark on done. Now is the time to bring in our videos. You mark new project. You bring in the videos according to the way they are going to be. Bring in the first one. This is the first one. You click it and bring it in. Then this is it. You click on this plus again. Click on the plus. Bring in the second one. All right, we do it according to the way we want it to play. Bring it a second one. This is nice. This is fantastic. This is nice, good. Then we click and bring the third one, all right, which is the serpent itself. Bring in the serpent itself. Then at this point, it's going to reveal the serpent, good. Then you go, then you still click and put this or this one for the second time, so that when it reveals the serpent after some time, it will still reveal this one. So at this point, this video is ready. You click on these demarcations. All right, click on the demarcations here. You want to add mix to make it look good. All right, add mix at the demarcations. When you add it here, look at how it's going to play now. Good. You go to the other demarcation, guys. You still add mix there. At the end of it now, this video is ready. All right, we are going to be playing it from the beginning, like as you have seen it playing now. Just take time and watch it in case if there is any amendment or adjustment, you do your necessary amendment adjustment. But don't forget to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After then, you export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add any of the sound effects or any effect. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just DM me, then I'm going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export this your video to your gallery. If you need the serpent green screen, you can DM me, then I will send it to you, or better still, download it from the description of this video. Then you click on export now, then you export your video to your gallery. All right, now guys, this video I've installed in your gallery. Tell us your opinion about this video. What magic effect would you like us to create next? Drop them at the comment section. You love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. If you're just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe.